And to Enugu State, where the governor Peter Mbah has declared that sustainable development will remain elusive until African states make radical, non-negotiable investment in health infrastructure, basic and experiential education. He spoke at the 55th convocation ceremony of the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. Senior reporter Bamdele Ajayi has more.
It was a convergence of policymakers, academia, clergymen, traditional institutions, and national development strategies at the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. In his opening remarks, the Vice Chancellor Simon Otwanya explains the goals that sustain the university, which strengthens the foundation of institutional governance.
That the University of Nigeria must not only celebrate its illustrious past, it must consciously prepare for a future worthy of that past.
A position supported by the convocation chairman and former Minister of Power, Professor Chinedu Nebo.
Universities must therefore continue to build stronger bridges between the classroom and the workplace, between theory and practice, and between scholarship and service to society.
Delivering his convocation lecture entitled Restoring the Dignity of Man Through Experiential Learning, Governor Peter Mbah framed education as not merely a social service, but as a core economic engine required to lift a people out of poverty.
When we democratize quality education, knowledge moves in every direction. A rural school becomes a center of innovation. A village child becomes a teacher of urban peers. A community once regarded merely as a beneficiary becomes a contributor.
The governor said he allocated over 30% of his annual budget to education, substantially above UNESCO recommended benchmark. He said a highly educated youth demography is the strongest defense against insecurity and economic stagnation.
We would not treat schools, health facilities, roads, power, agriculture, industry, transport, and technology as isolated projects. Within this architecture, education occupies the center.
The governor thanked the president for the provision of NEL fund and note that no child, irrespective of the background, should be denied access to qualitative education to scaling life. The message from the 55th convocation lecture is clear that Africa's future competitiveness will not be forged in a boardroom meeting, but inside a well-funded modern education standard. Bamdele Ajayi, TVC News, Nsukka.